Welcome back to another edition of Lunch at the Market. We encourage everyone to keep sending in those names. We'll take a look at picks from Brent Healy and Sharkfoot. We had a conversation with Sharkfoot yesterday regarding Fuqui International, ticker symbol FUQI. Looks like someone smart tuned into our conversation yesterday about the company, or read the fabulous article found on the blog titled What to Do with Retail from November 24th, in which we discuss retail with the infamous Patty Edwards, which you can find on our website in the black boxes that make up the MOF News Network. You can also do a Google search for MO Financial and What to Do with Retail, and you'll find a link to the blog along with all sorts of other things we've said this year. We highlighted the financial strength of Fuqui, and it's up nearly $2, over 10% to $18.50. Honestly, the 52-week high in this name came during late summer, was north of $30, so you're free to buy this one if you like retail or you want to play retail. We continue to think that shorting, especially overnight in this market, is dangerous. The risk is to the upside, so be careful over the shorter term. You can make the decision for yourself if you want to short longer term. There are still all sorts of calls for W's, L's, and every other letter-shaped recession you can think of. What about a C-shaped recession? That might be nice. Did you know that there's a site out there that searches for curse words on Twitter? If you search curseword.com for MO Financial, we have 0 swears, and our score out of 100 is lame. It says we swear like a mute. I kind of like that. I think it says we're polite, maybe even professional. Okay, so enough of the jokes and the funny stuff. Now on to the other name, Golden Green Enterprises Limited, which someone snagged the symbol CHOP. Shouldn't that be reserved for a steakhouse or at least a restaurant? Our favorite restaurants that haven't gone national yet are CPKI and BJRI. Check those guys out for a regional to national story. Fundamental look at CHOP reveals very low PE, under 6, a market cap below its enterprise value, very strong margins of 15% on profit and 25% on operating margins. They do have a free cash flow of $15 million and leveraged free cash flow at $28 million. They do have more debt than cash, $83 million compared to $53 million, but they have $1.50 a share of cash on hand. Subtract that from the price and you're up at $4 stock price with strong margins and a low multiple. Takes raw steel products from third parties and converts it into high precision and cold rolled steel products like plates, low alloy steel, stainless steel strips, composite metal strips. It also does custom coatings and finishes comprising chrome, zinc, galvanized, and serves the food packaging, telecommunications, decorations, and electrical appliance industries. Boring. Just the way we like it. Yes, let's bless it. We'll see how this stock looks on the Bean screen later today. You can follow Wall Street Bean by looking through the list of people we follow. Some smart guys, even if they like Alabama. We don't have anything against Alabama, just Texas, which somehow kept Cincinnati of the national championship with their lackluster, almost lost to Nebraska. An unranked team in the Big 12 championship. How about that in Dominican too? Someone's going to pay that guy a lot of money to tackle people in the NFL. I think he's my favorite player, as long as he doesn't go to the Cowboys. Please do not go to the Cowboys in Dominican. Okay, so enough about football and stocks for that matter. Go to www.magnumopussfinancial.com. You can find this video and all the others from the segment, as well as unique content on our blog and YouTube channel. More skits are coming, and we should have the Ustream broadcast live on the Magnum Opus Financial homepage by tomorrow. That's exciting, right? We'll get there. Thanks for staying patient as we learn how to use technology, and we'll see you tomorrow.